I'm going to show you how to make meat preservation pork tocino. We have all the ingredients here. First, we have sliced pork, brown sugar, salt, chopped garlic, sliced lemon, pepper, red food coloring, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. After that, we will all add it in this bowl. First, we add our soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. And 1/2 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And 1/4 teaspoon of red food coloring. Of course, we put half of lemon. Our chopped garlic, brown sugar, pinch of pepper, and mix it. We can put our salt for taste. When we're finished, we can add it to our sliced pork. So guys, if you want to use your hands, make sure they're clean. You don't have gloves. But it's okay for me because I'm using a spoon. Make sure you mix well. Okay, we're done. Then we add it to our plastic container. And we can put this in the refrigerator for 3 or 5 days. And after that, it's ready to cook. So that's it